Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you really quick how to make this beautiful column with a jungle theme. So stick around for more, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. Leave me your comments, and let's start on building this beauty. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make this cute flowers. These are going to go on my tree, and you can see how cute are these. So they're going to be around my tree, okay? They're not that big, but the balloons that we're going to be using, they're going to be Qualitex. These are just pink, and they are the 160 size. So these are very, very skinny, you guys. 160. And the way to inflate these are basically you need a smaller pump with this nozzle, skinny one. So what you're going to do is just insert it, and it's going to require more pumps, but you're basically going to start inflating, okay? Once you do that, you're going to need about 3 of those, which I already have inflated. It took about, I think, about 13 pumps altogether, like back and forth. So anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie knots at the ends to secure the air. And I'm going to start building my flower. For all of you guys that know how to already build that flower, you can fast or forward this video. Alexander, honey, shh, be quiet. Okay, so now you have like this. I'm just going to cut, not too close to the edge. I'm just going to cut the extra balloon. And I'm going to, I'm not sure, honey. And I'm going to tie one end to the other, okay? Just so that you guys have this. You're going to go like this, turn it, you're going to end up with that. So now, if you have like a flat surface, will be better. You're going to start weaving your balloons, your petals, right? So I normally have to. So you're going to go one like this, in, and one out. The next one's going to be in and out. So you get like this. Then the next petal, you go in and out. Okay? The next petal, you're going to go underneath, in, and out. And the last petal, same situation. In and out. And here, in and out. So you're going to left with this, okay? You want to have the back to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connections, okay? Almost like a C star. This is normally my 5 to 6 petals flower, but I made it into like all over the place. I didn't line them up because I like this look. This almost like a disorganized look, okay? Somebody's getting creative with my balloons. So now I have an extra here, and this little thing I'm going to put right in the middle of my balloon, weaving it in like this. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to do is your little stems. Those are cute. You just grab a 260. You're going to just pump a little bit of air. try to divide it. Make a knot. And just run the air all the way to the end. All right, that's what I'm using. And I'm okay with that. All right, so I'm just gonna snip this right here. Okay? And now that this is like this, I'm going to end up putting it right in the middle here. Okay, so the whole tree is going to be this organic looking tree with one monkey hanging just like this. So as you can see, this is my tree right here. Yes, this is a balloon, but it is more like a beach ball consistency. It's like very plasticky, and you just pump it like this. So this is going to be hanging as my center focal point. So these you can find at Amazon, any other stores. They come packaged like this, and it's very simple, you guys. Use my structure is going to be my lamp, and I'm going to this is going to be indoors, so you don't have to think, you know, go crazy thinking that it's going to fall. This is for indoors, and it's pretty sturdy. So I'm going to start with the base at the bottom, which is going to be different tones of brown, and the top portion, which is going to be my tree, I'm going to do quads of green balloons, and it's going to be organic looking, so it's not, there's not one size. Okay, you guys? So just like I showed you on the last video when we did the teddy bear, the same exact thing. You're going to have your balloons and weave them in on your structure. These are the balloons I will be using. Trust me when I tell you this is brown, but inflated looks like a chocolate brown, and this is like a mocha brown. So these are both Qualitex, and they are 260s. Okay guys, so I'm doing all my arrangements like well, actually this arrangement by pieces, because I don't want to overinflate balloons that in the end I'm not going to need, and I'm going to waste product. So I'm only doing a few because I'm not sure how many of these I'm going to need. But this is what the balloons look like. They're all 260 size. You can get different sizes, but this is what I'm using for my trunk, okay? And okay, you guys, so I wanted to leave for now the trunk the way it is. I didn't want it to be too boxy and big. And also I gotta keep proportionate to my top. So my top, I wanted to be a little bit on the heavier side and out so that the monkey can look like it's hanging. You guys, I gotta keep in mind that also, I don't want to make it too massive. I could, but this is going to be picked up and it's going to be laying down, transported in an SUV. That's what the client's doing. So I gotta make sure that I don't go too wide, too big. Otherwise, it's not gonna fit her car. So that's why I'm like keeping like the bottom right here a little on the smaller portion, making the top a little bit bigger. That way it gives that illusion that it's like a big tree. So I'm using the bigger balloons here. I don't want to go too wide at the bottom so it looks a little not authentic. So I'm putting those two sides. And also remember, I have my flowers which take up space. I don't know how many I can fit, but I don't want to cover the whole look of the, you know, of the tree. So maybe not all the flowers are going to be able to make it. Maybe I can put some at the bottom, some on the top. We'll see, but we'll figure it out, you guys. Hopefully I can make it big enough so that it doesn't like, you know, cover the whole tree. So we'll see. Okay, guys. So, as you can see, my lower part right here is small. And then what I went ahead and did was add more balloons to make it like a heavier top. So, the only thing I did was on top of building with my small clusters, I just added my my monkey. And all I did is I just used a 260, wrapped it around the wrist, and weaved that into one of the balloons. So this guy right here is hanging, okay? You see him. So it's not going to go anywhere. I just didn't want to do anything other than just the 260 on the wrist because I don't want to puncture the balloon. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is, well, I did already, are these little like vines, so to speak. These are so easy to do with 260, you guys. You just have to have the technique. It takes a little bit of time. Just blow a little bit on the 260, make a little bubble, squeeze in the air, make a little bubble, and then tie it at the end like a little flower button. And this is the effect you have. So what I intend to do with these is I'm going to attach them hanging off of my tree just like that, like vines. So that way it looks like it's a jungle and a little bit more organic. So you can see, guys, what I'm doing. Like I said, I have these vines. I attached the 260 of the same color. I tie it again. And this is going to create my cluster. This is such a cute idea, you guys. Okay, so now the fun part, to put the flowers on the top. And I think it's looking so cute, you guys. I'm not sure whether to put 2 up top and 3 at the bottom. I just don't want to do, I don't want to cover too much with the flowers, my tree. Go over there, Papa. So the way to do that is I grab a 260 and I'm just going to place it in the middle. Just like that. And build almost like a bracelet. A stretchy bracelet. Hold on, you guys. I know sometimes I get... Okay. So this is what you get in the end. A bracelet. And this is going to go on the balloons. Hi, guys. Okay. So how about this gorgeous tree, you guys? I'm going to make a close-up for you. And I just can't wait to see what the client's going to it's gonna think about this arrangement. I am so in love with like the vines. There's some movement here, the monkey as well. It's just, it screams jungle theme. And what a beauty, you guys. I just hope, cross fingers, that it fits in her car because she decided to pick it up. So, but how cool is that? You know, I'm not even gonna bother adding more of the trunk. I think it's perfect. You always have to think proportion, right? If your mode of transportation is smaller, then I want to make it thinner on the trunk so that my tree doesn't look scrimpy. It looks full and big. And you add some depth with colors. You play around with the monkey colors. So I added some dark shades, lighter shades of brown, but not overdoing it to where it takes away from the actual monkey, which is my whole centerpiece. And the flowers as well, a variation of it at the bottom. It's so cute. So, a lot of this, you know, I'm not going to spend so much time revisiting them because the video will be forever. And I've already been told that I talk too much. So with that said, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.